guys, aloha! Welcome back to my channel. I'm so back. So my name is Abel. Welcome to Abel's channel. So today, alam nyo na, unboxing. So today I'm gonna show it to you guys ang aking mga Supreme collections. Some of my Supreme collections. So for now, ano muna tayo, mga bags at kung anik-anik. So today, I'm gonna show it to you mga collection ko ng Supreme. Yung iba talagang hindi ko pa nagagamit. So, as you can see, may white box dito sa mga bags. So today, let's start. So now, I'm gonna show it to you this. So this handbag or sling bag. So this is one of my everyday use. So pag lalabas ng mga puntang palengke, mga groceries, yeah. So first one, I have this one. So this is all made in nylon. So it comes with actually this one comes with 3 pockets, 1, and then sa likod, so 3. Tapos ito yung name, but sa loob may pocket din. So as you can see, yan, so ang pwede nyo lagay dito is like phones, for example, watch, and pens, mga notepad, mga maliliit na small things na like 6 to 5 inches long. Ayan, so this one, so this is very useful. So, siya, adjustable, ang kanyang strap. So, as you can see, so medyo mahaba siya. Ayan siya. So, see? Ayan siya, guys. So, this one, nylon again. So, this one you can put your coins. So, here. So for this one, I believe this is 1 meter. Yeah, it's 1 meter. So this one is done. So next one of my favorite. So this is the band bag, or should I say belt pack. But I always put it here. So see. So either sa likod, or in front, or yan na, belt bag na siya, but I don't use it on my on my tummy or my waist. So waist pad, bum bag, belt bag. So as you can see, ayan siya, may 3 pockets ulit, so 1 or 2 pocket, and then 1 inside. So as you can see, I have my old wallet here. So alcohol, pantanggal germs. So you can put phone too. That's it. So, next one. Let's go to the bag first. So then this one actually open na siya. So isa rin sa mga favorite. So this is magenta. Magenta yung kulay niya. So this is mine. Pag pumapasok ako dito, as you can see. Nice guys, right? So this one comes with 1. And then, meron din siyang pocket sa loob. 1 pocket outside. So, sa loob, so 1 pocket, but there's a lot of pocket too. So, as you can see, there's 1, 2, 3 pockets inside. So meron din siyang lagayan ng pens. Kung nakikita nyo. So ayan, ang mga coins ko na dito. Ang dami. And then, this one can fit the mga iPad, iPhone, shoes. So this one is for the laptop. If you have like 15 to 13 to 15 inch laptop, you can fit here. So you can put umbrella. Ayan. Same as this one. Same as the magenta, but this one is different style. So this is Supreme too. So may panet siya na effect. So meron naman siya nilagayan siya dito, so you can put bottled water, you can put umbrella here. Ito siya sa one pocket. And then the next one, so you can put also a laptop here, iPad. So there's no pocket here. Wala siyang pocket sa loob. Yun ang difference. So dito may side pocket. Let's see. Yan po siya. So you can put anything here, but I don't wanna put something. And then on the side, yan, ito po, pwede nyo lagyan ng bottled water, umbrella. So this is also made of nylon, and then on the back there's like a cushion something. So ito siya. So Cordura. So isa po sa ano nila yan. Not manufacturer, but collaboration with Cordura. So this one is sila yung gumagawa ng fabric when it comes to bag. Actually, Cordura, meron din silang collaboration with Herschel. And the next one, never been used. Seneca. So here you go, guys. One of my tote bag from Supreme. Nice, right? So white and then red with a Supreme logo. As you can see, so this is made of canvas, and then the handle too is canvas. So what's can fit here, like laptop too, yan. So there's a pocket here, one pocket. Good for wallet, cell phones. So this one is 12-inch high, or 13-inch high, 12 by 12. So this one is also good for moms, like for baby bottles, diaper. But I love this one. Like when you go to the beach, let's go. Ayan siya, bongga, diba? I love tote bags. And the next one is, as you can see, medyo malaki din. Tadam! So this is the front. Actually, front or whatever, pwede naman. Front and back. So Supreme. So this one is made of, you know, the sack. Yeah. So the handle is made of canvas too. And then the bottom part is made of canvas. So this is all black with off-white writing. So as you can see, we got wider here. We got wider space. So this one doesn't have any pockets inside, but this one is good for also this one is good for a mom, for baby use, or sa mga babies. Yeah. Tadaan! Isn't it nice, guys? Diba? Taray. Ayan. Diba? So dito naman tayo. So here you go, guys. So this one. So you know some of my Supremes, mahirap talaga siyang i-collect. Mahirap i-purchase. Hindi naman siya kamahalan, but the thing is, you gotta wait like 4 a.m. to 5 a.m. sometimes. Yeah, pupuya talaga ako para lang dito. So this one, I'm lucky to have this. Tadaan! My 2 Supreme Max. Isn't it nice, guys? So cheers. So this one is one cup. This is 2 cups. Yeah. Bongga siya, di ba? So this is made in plastic. And then this one too. So this is stainless. So it's like a hydro flask. Yeah, so as you can see, meron pang naman sa loob. So this is it's by Sig. So collaborated with Sig. So this one is really nice. So this is good for hot and cold, but I prefer hot. Yeah, for my coffee, this is good. So you can use this too. For nahuhulog kayo. So this one, guys, ang dami. So I got Supreme na medyas. So hindi ko nabubuksan. I got this tagless t-shirt. So Supreme collaborated with Hanes. So alam nyo na, cheetah. Rawr. Yan siya. Sige na, pakita ko lang ito. Yan, makakita ang plano, guys. Sira siya. Okay, guys. And then this one, like plain white t-shirt. So tagless siya. So meaning, yung tag niya is yung ano na, yung naka-stamp, hindi yung kagaya nung may mga, yung makati dito. From Hanes again. So this one is a boxer short from Hanes. So this is good for your husband, boyfriend. I suggest if you're gonna buy this, meron pa to sa Supreme eh. Bumili kayong small. Kasi American size eh. Okay, so I have this Supreme cup. Okay. So white cup. And then the Supreme wine. Oh, white, sorry, yellow. Yeah. There you go. And this one. And then this one. Shower cup. So, because sometimes they give you like free shower cup. or mga kung ano kami. This one is good. Bongga siya, diba? So I think maybe next week ang ano ko naman is mga shirts, mga t-shirts from Supreme. Yeah, they always give you a free abobot, but dati yun ngayon hindi na. So of course the stickers, I have the stickers, so I collect them too. So hindi siya nilalagay kung saan. And then now, show this guys to you. So this one, so same siya nung bag na red kanina. So this one is a sling bag too. It comes with a strap, adjustable too. So again, from Cordura fabric. Yan guys, nakikita niyo ba? And this one too. This is for your toiletries, like for your lotion, soap. Isn't it nice, guys? Diba? Ang cute. It's up to you. Pwede mong gawing pouch na everyday use. Excuse me. With this one to no, ito muna. So this one is a belt bag too. So same color ng magenta, same mahilig ako sa mga ganito, yung mga pare-parehas. Like pag sa damit yung mga colors, like mga partner. So this one is really nice too. So it's kind of big for a regular bag or a belt bag. Bongga siya, diba? So pwede siya dito. Ayan. So here, adjustable naman yung ano niya. So it's up to you na guys kung ano gusto nyo gawin. Just yan, mostly mga Filipino mahilig sa belt bag. Sling bag or belt bag. So there's a 2 pocket here, so you can put coins or mga lighter, whatever. Cellphone, medyo wag na, delikado. Ayan siya guys. Okay guys, I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa aking video. And then by the way, naalala ko nung nagpa-premyo ako, yung mga Supreme. So, ang nangyari, hindi ko na nabigay sa kanila. Kinonvert na lang nila into cash. Kasi ang tagal ng dating. So, hindi ko siya mahanap kung nasa. So, sobrang daming gamit ko ng mga kung ano-ano pa yan. So guys, ito yung siguro let's say half of my Supreme collections. Yeah. So right now wala sila, hindi sila nagtitinda ngayon. Ano sila? I think next 2 months, after 2 months, babalik ulit yung Supreme. So I suggest sa mga gustong kumuha ng Supreme guys, every Thursday ang nila, release nila sa dito America. And then 5 AM ang nila, ang release nila. So, pabilisan talaga. So, just download the app and then register niyo yung name nyo, and then address, and then yung card para mas madali. Kasi, in just a snap, like pag may mga collaboration din sila sa iba, ang bilis mawala. So, like 1 second, talagang as in, believe me guys, malaloka kayo. I'm just giving a tip guys. Ako na pro na sa pagbili-bili sa kanila, hindi lahat na bibili ko. Ayan guys, thank you ulit. Thank you so much guys for watching, and hope you guys have a wonderful day. Stay safe and be happy. Bye guys. Bye. Thank you.